오늘은 today topic is wealth accumulation. This is special lecture. Korean language 자본 축적. SCPD, CPD-TV. Sam Yang. This is Sam Yang talking. My main point, how to create big wealth globally. Creating significant global wealth requires a strategic combination of vision, timing, innovation, and execution. While there are many ways to achieve substantial wealth, the following key principles can guide the process. This is not standard orthodox way, just my suggestion. First, identify, exploit global trends, technological innovation, focus on sectors that are rapidly transforming industries. For example, artificial intelligence, blockchain, biotech, clean energy. Identifying trends early and capitalizing on them is key. Emerging technology have the potential for exponential growth. Sustainability and ESG. Global demand for sustainable businesses is increasing. Green technologies and products that align with environmental, social, and governance (ESG) principles are experiencing a surge in investment. Digital transformation, accelerated by COVID-19, digital businesses, including e-commerce, cloud computing, and digital finance, are becoming dominant. Businesses that enable digital transformation on a global scale are prime candidates for high growth. Scale globally is main point. Global market, localization, strategic partnership. Expand business operations beyond the local markets. Companies like Amazon, Google, and Apple succeed by scaling their products and services to the global market. Is one of the samples. Leverage network effect, platforms and ecosystem. Many of the wealthiest companies, example Facebook, Alibaba, Uber, grew by creating platforms that connect users and providers. Data and AI. And next one is great intellectual property, IP, and defensible mode. Patent and IP. Brand and customer loyalty. Building a strong brand and customer loyalty can also serve as a moat. Apple's brand is so strong that it can charge premium price, creating long-term value. Next is raise and deploy capital effectively, smart funding, and strategic acquisitions. Buying companies that provide synergies, technological advantages, or market share can accelerate growth. Mergers and acquisitions can be powerful tools for wealth creation. Invest in human capital and leadership, talent and leadership. Is very important. Visionary leadership is a common trait among those who have created massive wealth. Leaders like Jeff Bezos, Elon Musk, and Jack Ma have demonstrated an ability to foresee market shifts, take risks, and adapt. Next is diversify income streams, multiple revenue sources, and passive income. I always focus on passive income. I told several times. Build passive income streams through licensing, royalty, investment, and partnership. Retail, real estate, and stocks, and other asset classes can provide substantial long-term wealth growth. Next is control risk. Manage risk intelligently. Agility and adaptation is very important. Philanthropy and legacy. Impactful giving. Creating a legacy. Many of the wealthiest individuals like Warren Buffett and Bill Gates have made philanthropy a key component of their legacy. It's one of the important wealth accumulation strategy. Thank you very much, SCPD, CPD TV. In order to use Korean, just to translate my English speaking. Thank you very much.